Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp. Today I'm going to teach you how to make text-to-speech video in any language. So let's start. Open Google Chrome and search Clipchamp. Click on first website clipchamp.com. Click on Try for Free button. Here you can log in through multiple accounts like Microsoft, Google or Facebook. After login, you will see this screen. Now click on Create Video button. Here on left sidebar, click on Record and Create option. Now select Text to Speech option. On this pop-up, you can select any language like this. There are lots of options in language, and in voice option you can select in which voice you want your speech should be. We have multiple options in voices also. Here in text box, enter your text that you want to use as speech. Let's see the result by playing this.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
You can see my text converted into female voice. Now I am going to select male voice and click on play button.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
So my text is converted into male voice too. We have option to make it fast too. Just slide it to last.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Same as it is, you can make it slow too.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Let me select French language and add my YouTube name into text box. So we have two options in voices. I am going to set regular speed for voice. Now let's play and see the result.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp.
So finally it converted into French female voice. Same as it is, we can change it into male voice.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp.
To save this audio, click on Save to Media button.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp.
Select this audio clip and drop it here. Click on Export button to download this. Select the video quality. I am selecting 720 pixels. So it started downloading. Let's open the file and see the results.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp.
As you can see, it is in video format. You can convert this MP4 video to MP3 audio file like this. Just go to google.com and search MP4 to MP3. Select first website cloudconvert.com. Now select your MP4 video file. Here you can select any format. I am converting it into MP3 format. Click Convert button. Click Download button to download this MP3 file. So as you can see, my MP4 file is converted into MP3 format.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Chim.
Now you can use this audio anywhere. I hope this video will help you to create text to speech in any language. If you like this video, click like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.